No, it's really pleased with the result. It's nice to finally get that home victory, of course, but it was a very what's the word? Difficult contest over the course of 90 minutes. I gave it credit to Llanidloes. I thought they set up quite well in terms of their game plan and how they wanted to impact and affect us, and their direct style did cause us problems at time. But I thought in the end, I was pleased to get the win. I just thought we could have made life a little bit easier for ourselves come full time. Performances and results, ideally you'd like them to match and go hand in hand. I think the performance last week was really good. I think after the first 25 minutes today, I was pleased with what I saw. And again, we've got the 3 points to reflect that. But it's important now that we do kick on. We've got some tough games coming up away at Llangefni on Tuesday, and then luckily the following week, and all eyes and attention now is on Llangefni.